Who doesn't love a new cruise ship? 2025 is going to be a great year for new ships, with 17 new ships hitting the high seas. Ahoy travelers, it's Amy here to help you make your travel experience a success with a look into what's coming in 2025. Now keep in mind that some of these ships may be subject to delays and launch changes. Some of them have already dealt with delays. So number one, the Mein Schiff Relax. Coming in March of 2025 from TUI Cruises, Mein Schiff Relax comes in at 160,000 gross tons with a capacity of 3,894 passengers. Currently scheduled for 7 and 10-day cruises around the Western Mediterranean with stops in Spain, Italy, France, Portugal, and Morocco, the Relax will be the 8th ship in the TUI Cruises fleet. Primarily aimed at the German cruise market and the first in their new Intuition class. Not only will she have new features, but it's also 50% bigger than previous ships. The Relax will include single occupancy cabins, something many solo cruisers have been begging for, and it's going to be the first TUI ship powered by LNG. Number two is MSC's World America. Sailing out of Miami in April from MSC Cruises, the MSC World America is a whopping 215,863 gross tons with a capacity of 6,762 passengers. One of the largest ships in the fleet, it will have 7 districts, including Family Adventura, which is designed for kids and teens, the Aqua Deck featuring pools, whirlpools, and an aqua park, World Promenade, where you can find food venues, panoramic sea views, and nightly light shows. The World Galleria is an interior promenade with shopping, live music, and nightlife. The Terrace is where you can find specialty dining and more. The Zen area is an adult-only oasis, and of course, MSC's Yacht Club. Now, there are going to be more than 30 bars, lounges, and restaurants, along with facilities like the MSC Sportsplex with a roller skating arena, and lots of live entertainment in the theaters and lounges, along with pop-up experiences all over the ship. Coming in at number 3, the Norwegian Aqua. Also expected in April of 2025 from NCL with a gross tonnage of 156,000 and a capacity of 3,550 is the Norwegian Aqua. She will be the first Prima Plus ship, expanding upon the current design of the Norwegian Prima. While not the biggest ship in the fleet, there will be a range of new and exciting features, including the Aqua Slide Coaster. It's a roller coaster and water slide combination. Making its debut on the all-new Norwegian Aqua is the Sukhothai, the company's first ever Thai specialty restaurant. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Also premiering aboard Norwegian Aqua is Swirl Wine Bar, a contemporary wine lounge. Norwegian Aqua will offer sailings from New York, Port Canaveral, and Miami with itineraries including calls at NCL's private resort, Great Stirrup Cay. Number 4, the Allura. Coming in May 2025 from Oceania Cruises at 68,000 tons and with a capacity of 1,200 passengers, the second in the line's Allura class. Odd I know, usually the class is named for the first ship of the class. A small ship for a luxury line, there will be beautiful luxury accommodations that you can book. The Allura will have a focus on mixology with experiential beverage carts, taking cocktails to a whole new level. Number 5, the American Patriot. Expected June of 25 from American Cruise Lines, it will hold 125 passengers and will be part of the line's Patriot class. The small American Cruise Line offers coastal and Great Lakes cruises. The Patriot is set to offer cruises in the New England region and will accommodate up to 125 guests across just 56 suites, all of which have a private balcony. Her inaugural sailing will be a 14-night cruise from Boston. Number 6. The Viking Vesta. Expected July of 2025 from Viking Cruises with a gross tonnage of just 47,000 and a capacity of 998 guests, the Viking Vesta will be the 12th ocean cruise ship in the Viking fleet. Now, while all Viking ocean ships hold less than 1,000 guests, the Vesta will be one of the fleet's largest, even if not by much. With all the same luxuries as previous ships, the Vesta will offer cruises all across Europe in her inaugural season. Number 7, Luminara. From Ritz-Carlton Yacht Cruises, and also expected in July, is the Luminara. With a capacity of 452 passengers and 46,750 gross tons, the Luminara will be the third super yacht sailing for Ritz-Carlton, the company that owns several of the most luxurious hotels in the world. With her maiden season spent in the Med, she will feature 5 restaurants and 6 bars, as well as a wine vault for all those wine connoisseurs out there. The Luminara will also feature an expanded marina, allowing guests to enjoy even more water sports activities directly from the ship. Number 8, Star of the Seas. With the delivery date in August of 2025, the Star of the Seas will be part of Royal Caribbean's Icon class with a capacity of 7,600 passengers and a tonnage of 250,800. Wow. If history is any indicator, the Star of the Seas will be the largest cruise ship in the world when it launches. They always make them just a little bit bigger. While she will likely share many features with the Icon, we don't yet know what all the differences will be. The Star of the Seas will sail from Port Canaveral and offer cruises to both the Eastern and Western Caribbean, with every cruise including a visit to the private island, Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Of course they do. Number 9, the Brilliant Lady. Delayed due to a combination of staffing issues, supply chain problems, and construction delays at the shipyard, Virgin Voyages is expected to finally launch the Brilliant Lady in September of 2025, almost 2 years after it was originally planned to launch. While many guests were disappointed by the delay, there is more than enough to look forward to, with 20 dining venues, plenty of bars and nightclubs to choose from. The Brilliant Lady will kick off its inaugural season sailing from New York before finishing out the year in Miami. She'll then spend 2026 sailing out of Los Angeles on West Coast cruises before heading to Seattle to offer up Alaskan itineraries. Number 10, the Star Princess. Third in the Sphere class is Princess's newest ship, the Star Princess, with a capacity of 4,300 passengers and expected in October of 2025. The Star will have a gross tonnage of 175,500. While we are still waiting to see what differences or improvements the Star has over the Sun Princess, we know she will have a huge range of bars and restaurants available and 1,500 cabins with balconies. So we're a little over halfway through our list, and if you are enjoying this video and maybe even learning something, consider subscribing with the notification bell on so you don't miss out on any future posts. Number 11, Celebrity XL. Coming in November of 2025, Celebrity Cruises launches what may be the last of its Edge class with a capacity of 3,260 passengers and a gross tonnage of 141,000. While we don't know a huge amount of details yet, Celebrity Cruises has said that the ship will be a blend of all the best bits of the Edge class with some new experiences that will change the game all over again. The XL will be making its debut in the Caribbean in November of 25. Number 12, the American Pioneer. Yet another small ship from American Cruise Lines is expected in November. The American Pioneer will be the second in the line's Patriot class. Like her sister, she'll offer comfortable accommodations in the biggest suites for the cruise line. American Pioneer will sail around the Florida coast and the Florida Keys, with the maiden voyage being a 14-night cruise from Jacksonville to St. Petersburg. Number 13, the Disney Destiny. Now, expected in November of 2025 with a capacity of 4,000 and a gross tonnage of 144,000, the Disney Destiny is the third in the Wish class, with a heroes and villains theme. It will feature a range of encounters with characters from movies like The Lion King, Hercules, and 101 Dalmatians. Number 14, the Star Seeker. Windstar Cruises waited until April of this year to announce 2 new additions to its Star class. The first, the Star Seeker, will join the fleet in 2025. Expected in December, she will have a capacity of 224 passengers and will offer exceptional comfort, relaxing dining and cafe spaces, and of course, the iconic water sports platform that is featured across the Windstar fleet. Now, there are several ships that are projected to be released in 2025, but we don't have a launch date or even a month yet. So coming in at 15 is the Disney Adventure. With a capacity of around 6,000 passengers, the Disney Adventure is Disney Cruises' biggest ship to date. Originally under construction for Dream Cruises, which went bankrupt, Disney purchased the unfinished ship and reimagined it Disney style. With the Wish-class ships all around 144,000 gross tons, the Adventure is set to be the line's largest ship by a lot at 208,000 gross tons. The Adventure will have 7 themed areas: Disney's Imagination Garden, Disney's Discovery Reef, San Francisco Street, play on San Francisco and Tokyo, I only can assume, Marvel Landing, Toy Story Place, Town Square, and Wayfinder Bay. This exciting new ship will also feature many other innovative firsts for Disney Cruise Line, including experiences specially created for Southeast Asia. The Disney Adventure will feature 3- and 4-night voyages sailing from Singapore. Number 16, the Four Seasons Yacht. Four Seasons is expanding from luxury hotels into the luxury cruise industry with its new ship. With a capacity of 200, all by invitation only, with priority going to loyal Four Seasons customers, the luxury yacht is being designed around immersive luxury experiences and will have just 95 suites. And coming in at number 17, the World Seeker. The World Seeker is a delayed cruise ship from Mystic Cruises with a gross tonnage of just under 10,000 and a capacity of approximately 200 passengers. The small luxury ship is expected to launch at some point in 2025, and she is designed as an expedition ship and will offer cruises in the polar region. So which of these ships are you most excited about? Are you booked on any of them? Let me know in the comments. Are you ready for more information on cruising? Why not stick around and check out this video and then come back for more information designed to help you have an amazing cruise. Have a blessed week, everyone.